Okay guys, my first video, well not my first video, we're gonna be hanging out with my cats. The first one, his name's Phoenix, look at him, he's so beautiful. He was sick for like a couple days, so he thrown up and now that's why he's so cuddly. But yeah, he never was cuddly, he like runs around like a maniac. Aw, you're so cute. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? Aren't you so cute? You're so cute. Wait, what are you doing? Okay, this is gonna be just the first video of this cat. Yeah. Ow! He's so fluffy. So fluffy. Please like if you like this cat. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, Phoenix. Phoenix, say bye.